Ever paid for a nice dinner, but the food arrived completely cold?
Every single time. I just pretend it is a special cold soup.
It's such a bad feeling. You're paying good money for a bad experience.
Exactly. But calling the waiter over feels like starting a huge fight.
And you don't want to look like a rude or difficult customer.
Right. So I just stay quiet, eat my cold food, and leave feeling annoyed.
Hello, lovely learner. Welcome back to Easy English Friends, equipping you with the exact words you need for the real world out there.
Hi there. I'm Dan.
And I'm Emma. I'm glad we're tackling this because you deserve good service.
I'm honestly feeling a little nervous just thinking about this topic.
Oh, really? Does just the idea of complaining make you tense?
Yeah, my heart is beating a little faster right now.
It's totally normal. It feels like you're creating a problem for the staff.
Yes. If my hotel room is dirty, I feel guilty asking them to clean it.
If asking for a fix makes you sweat, we'll make it easier today.
That sounds so much better than feeling angry or scared.
Today, we'll make those awkward service moments feel safe and easy to handle.
I really need that. I just want to get what I paid for, calmly.
Stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll know 3 calm phrases that help you get exactly what you paid for.
I'm ready to finally speak up.
When we get bad service, our brain usually gives us 2 terrible options.
Exactly. I either stay completely quiet or I feel like I have to yell.
Right. You either hide in your chair or you prepare for a huge battle.
And I hate battling with people, so I just eat the cold food.
But I want you to think of yourself like a simple weather reporter on TV.
A weather reporter? How does that help with my cold dinner?
Well, a reporter doesn't get angry at the rain while they are on television.
Oh, I see. They just look at the camera and say that it is raining.
Exactly. They don't apologize for the rain, and they don't yell at the clouds.
They just report the weather facts clearly, calmly, and directly.
Yes. When your food is cold, you aren't fighting the busy waiter.
I'm just a reporter, giving them a quick fact about the plate.
You're just giving them the simple information they need to fix the issue.
That makes the whole situation feel so much smaller and safer already.
I'm really glad. If this mindset makes speaking up feel a little less scary, save this episode for your next restaurant trip.
And share it with a friend who always accepts bad food just to avoid conflict.
We really want you to get exactly what you pay for.
It is so nice to know I don't have to be the angry customer.
You don't. So the real role is simple. State the problem clearly and stop explaining.
That helps a lot. I just say the plain fact and let them fix it.
Exactly. You don't need to be angry, and you definitely don't need to apologize.
I feel a little more prepared to try this now.
Let's practice stating the plain fact about your cold dinner. I'm the waiter walking by your table.
Okay, here I go. Excuse me, I am very sorry, but my food is very cold.
Good try being polite, but you don't need to apologize for their mistake.
Oh, right. Saying sorry makes it sound like I did something wrong.
Exactly. Just use a gentle opening, state the fact, and stop. Try, excuse me, my food is cold.
Excuse me, my food is cold.
That sounds clear. The waiter will naturally offer to warm it up or replace it.
Wow, that is so much shorter. It feels less scary to just say the fact.
Let's try another common one. You ordered hot tea, but I brought you an iced tea.
Okay. Excuse me, you gave me the wrong order.
That gets their attention. but saying you gave me can sound a little aggressive.
I see. It sounds like an accusation against the waiter directly.
Right. We want to point at the item, not the person. Try, I think I ordered hot tea.
I think I ordered hot tea.
That works well. It is polite but firm.
What if they are very busy and running around the restaurant?
Good question. You can use a softer request to get their attention first.
How do I do that without shouting across the room?
Start with a soft phrase. Try, sorry to bother you, but I think I ordered hot tea.
Sorry to bother you, but I think I ordered hot tea.
That gives the staff an easy way to help without feeling attacked.
I think I could actually say that. It doesn't feel mean at all.
Let's do a hotel situation next. You check in and the towels are dirty.
I go to the front desk. Hi, I need new towels because my room is dirty.
That states the problem clearly. To sound even softer, focus only on the solution.
Oh, so ask for the new towels directly without complaining?
Yes. Try, could we get some fresh towels?
Could we get some fresh towels?
That feels natural. It solves the problem without starting a big conversation about the room.
But what if I really need them to know the room was actually messy?
Just state the plain fact calmly. Try, the towels in my room aren't clean.
The towels in my room aren't clean.
Good. That keeps the tone friendly but makes your point clear.
Let's do another food issue. What if I wait 40 minutes for my meal?
Great question. I'm the waiter walking past your table quickly.
Excuse me, where is my food? I am very hungry.
That is completely understandable, but it sounds like you are scolding them.
I guess so. How do I ask without sounding angry?
Just ask for an update calmly. Try, could you check on our order?
Could you check on our order?
That works. It reminds them gently without starting a fight.
Now let's try one more. What if the bill is wrong at a restaurant?
That is a great one. I'm the waiter. Here is your bill.
Excuse me, your math is completely wrong here.
That is very direct. It might make the waiter feel defensive immediately.
Yeah, no one likes hearing that they made a math mistake.
Instead of blaming, just point to the mistake gently. Try, I think there's a mistake on the bill.
I think there's a mistake on the bill.
That would work in real life. It gives them a chance to look.
What if they ask what the exact mistake is?
State the plain fact. Try, we didn't order this item.
We didn't order this item.
That sounds clear and calm. They will usually just remove it.
And what if they accidentally charged me twice for something?
Just state the fact again. Try, I think we were charged twice for the soup.
I think we were charged twice for the soup.
That protects your money while keeping the conversation peaceful.
I still feel nervous, but now I have a solid plan.
You just learned how to state a simple fact to get better service.
It feels really good to have those simple, calm phrases ready to use.
You can protect your peace and still get the help you actually need.
I am ready for our next step.
Let's test your new skills. Imagine your hotel air conditioner is broken.
Oh, that is a terrible feeling in the summer.
Exactly. What do you tell the front desk to get it fixed?
Excuse me, I am so sorry, but the air conditioner is broken.
The fact is very clear, but remember the reporter mindset we talked about.
Right. A reporter doesn't apologize for the rain.
Exactly. You don't need to apologize for a broken machine you didn't build.
Oh, I did it again. I apologized when it wasn't my fault at all.
It's a very hard habit to break. Let's drop the apology completely.
Okay, I will try to state the plain fact.
Try it again with a natural contraction. Excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working.
Excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working.
That sounds clear. Let's practice the rhythm of that opening phrase now.
I always feel a little stiff when I start talking to service staff.
Say, excuse me, smoothly with no hard stop between the two separate words.
So I just let the two words slide together naturally?
Yes, make it sound like one long word. Try the whole phrase again.
Excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working.
Good. That keeps the tone friendly. Now it's time for the word shifts.
This is where we look at the deeper meaning of our new vocabulary.
Exactly. Our first word today is bother.
I used that earlier when talking to the busy waiter.
Yes, it means to interrupt someone or cause them a little bit of trouble.
Like asking a waiter for help when they are carrying heavy plates.
Right. For everyday life. Sorry to bother you, but I need a napkin.
And what about the deeper psychological meaning?
Emotionally, we often stay quiet because we think our basic needs are a bother.
We feel like we are annoying people just by asking for what we paid for.
Exactly. Repeat. Bother.
Bother.
Our second word is defensive.
That sounds like a word you use when watching a sports game.
It can be, but in conversation, it means acting like you are being attacked.
I definitely know that heavy feeling.
For an everyday example, if you say someone's math is wrong, they get defensive.
Because nobody likes being told they made a silly mistake at their job.
Exactly. Emotionally, when we feel insecure, we often get defensive about very small things.
We build a wall to protect ourselves from feeling embarrassed or wrong.
Repeat. Defensive.
Defensive.
Our last word is direct.
Does that mean giving someone directions to a specific place?
Similar. It means saying exactly what you mean without hiding your true message.
Like stating the plain fact about the cold food without a long story.
Yes, in daily life, a direct sentence helps the staff fix your problem fast.
That is the reporter mindset we talked about earlier.
Exactly. Emotionally, being direct doesn't mean being rude or mean.
It just means being honest about your limits and your current needs.
I really want you to remember that fact. Repeat. Direct.
Direct.
Let's do one final test to see how you feel with these new phrases.
I'm ready. I have my reporter mindset on today.
Imagine you're at a crowded coffee shop. You order an iced latte with oat milk.
Okay, I have my coffee and I take a big sip.
You immediately taste that they used regular milk. The barista is rushing to make other drinks. What do you say?
Let me try the gentle opener. Sorry to bother you, but I think this has regular milk.
That sounds clear. It states the fact gently and gives them a chance to fix it quickly.
And I didn't apologize for my own drink. It actually felt a lot safer to say.
You didn't. They will probably just make you a new one right away.
That is much better than drinking milk that upsets my stomach.
Exactly. That would work in real life. So how will you use this simple rule this week?
I'm going out for a nice dinner this weekend with some friends from work.
That sounds like a great time to practice your new calm phrases.
Usually, if my food is cold, I just eat it quietly. I don't want to ruin the nice dinner vibe.
It's very common to sacrifice our own meal just to keep the peace at the table.
Yes, I always feel like everyone will stare at me if I complain to the waiter.
But this time, if something is wrong, you have a simple plan.
Right. I'll just state the plain fact about the food and let them fix it.
That gives the staff an easy way to help, which is exactly what they want to do.
Exactly. I am paying for the meal, so I deserve to enjoy it too.
You really do. Now, we want to hear from you. Think of one place where you usually stay quiet when something goes wrong.
It could be anywhere. You can write just the place. A cafe, an airplane, or a hair salon.
We'd really love to read about that specific place you chose down in the comments.
Just typing it out is a great first step toward breaking that old quiet habit.
It truly is. And reading your honest stories always makes this community feel a little braver together.
It reminds all of us that asking for good service doesn't have to be a scary battle.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to leave your thoughts, even if your grammar isn't perfect.
We just want to hear your honest voice.
Thank you so much for spending a piece of your day learning with Easy English Friends.
We really hope your next dinner out feels calm, safe, and actually enjoyable.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben.
Enjoy your next peaceful meal, and we'll talk to you soon.
And remember, you deserve exactly what you paid for.